Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show y'all a very quick way to clear your browsing data. So anyways, you select, without further ado, keyboard shortcut Control Shift Delete, and now you're given the option to clear your browsing data. Of course you have advanced settings or simple settings. You can select the time range, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, last hour of all time, whatever fits your needs. So I'm going to select last 24 hours. Clear data, and that's literally it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.